Example number 1. In the group Z6, plus 6, number A, show that Z6 is closed under plus 6. B. Find the identity element of the group Z6, plus 6. Number C. Find the inverse of each element in Z6. A. Z6 is closed under plus 6. Since A plus 6B belongs to Z6, for all A, B belongs to Z6. As it is shown in the following table of the binary operation, we have plus 6, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can write it as one first row and first column. Then we can add the corresponding numbers and we can write it in the table. If it is bigger than 6, if it is 6 or bigger than 6, we can reduce it by modulo 6. So 1 plus 1, 0, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 2, 3, 1 plus 3, 4, 1 plus 4, 5, 1 plus 5, 6. So 6 under modulo 6, it will be 0. So 2 plus 0, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 plus 4 is 6. So reduced by modulo 6, it will be 0. 2 plus 5, 7. Reduced by modulo 6, it will be 1. So in this way, we get this table. B. From the above table, it is clear that the identity element of the group Z6, plus 6, addition modulo 6 is 0. C. The inverse are given in the following table. So B. If B is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the inverse of 0 is 0. The inverse of 1 is 5. The inverse of 2 is 4. Inverse of 3 is 3. Inverse of 4 is 2. Inverse of 5 is 1. Example 2. In the group Z7, plus 7, show that Z7 is closed under plus 7. Addition modulo 7. So find B. Find the identity element of the group Z7, plus 7. C. Find the inverse of each element in Z7. A. Z7 is closed under plus 7 as it is shown in the following table. So plus 7, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because it is addition modulo 7. So we can take from 0 to 6 and the first column 0 to 6. So we can add the corresponding numbers, and if it is 7 or bigger than 7, we can reduce it by modulo 7. It will become 0 or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, any number. So we create the table. B. From the above table, it is clear that the identity element of the group Z7, plus 7 is 0. Number C. The inverse are given in the following table. The inverse of 1 is 6. The inverse of 2 is 5. The inverse of 3 is 4. The inverse of 4 is 3. The inverse of 5 is 2. The inverse of 6 is 1. And the inverse of 0 is 0. Example number 3. In the group Z7 without 0, multiplication modulo 7. Number A. Show that Z7 without 0 is closed under multiplication modulo 7. B. Find the identity element of the group Z7 without 0, multiplication modulo 7. C. Find the inverse of each element in Z7 without 0. So A. Z7 is closed under multiplication mod 7 since A multiplication mod 7 B belongs to Z7 without 0. For all AB belongs to Z7 without 0 as it is shown in the following table of the binary operation multiplication mod 7. So multiplication mod 7 is we can make a table. So with this without 0, so we start from 1 2 3 4 5 6 and the first column is 1 2 3 4 5 6. So now we multiply and reduce it by multiplication modulo 7. So 1 into 1 1, 1 into 2 2, 3 4 5 6. Now when it comes to 2 and 1, 2 into 1 2, 2 into 2 4, 2 into 3 6, 2 into 4 8, reduce it by mod 7, it is 1, 2 into 5 10, 10 mod 7 is 3, 2 into 6 12, 12 mod 7 is 5. So 3 into 1 3, 3 into 2 6, 3 into 3 9, mod 7 2, 3 into 4 is 12, 12 mod 7 5, 3 into 5 15, 15 mod 7 is 1, 3 into 6 18, 18 mod 7 is 4. So 4 into 1 4, 4 into 2 8, mod 7 1, 4 into 3 12, mod 7 is 5. So in this way we can fill up the table. B, the above table show that the identity element of the group Z7 without 0, comma, multiplication mod 7 is 1. The inverses are given in the following table. B inverse. The identity of 1 is 1. The identity of 2 is 4. The identity of 3 is 5. The identity of 4 is 2. The identity of 5 is 3. The identity of 6 is 6.